This is a video for learning advisors to support you with ensuring that the students' unedited holistic student reflections appear on their holistic reports that you will later send out with your student led conference invitations. So, what you need to do is to be on your Fano course page. In my instance, I'm in the Forest Fano course page, and on top of your course page, you'll see the holistic student reflections, which has been created there as an assignment. So what you need to do is click on it like you typically do for any assignments and go in and click grade. I know that Dana, who's in my learning advisor group, has completed her student reflection. All I need to do is go in there and change the no grade to on and save changes. Once you've done this, Dana's unedited student reflection comments will now appear on a holistic report. And that's all you have to do for all your learners once they have submitted their holistic student reflections. Thank you.